Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher E. Bienvenidos to my channel. If this is your first time here, please take this moment to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. Now let's get into today's video because let me tell you something. This girl has been quite the talk in the town, you know. Uber excited. Definitely feel like I've been waiting very long time like anybody else. I mean, I haven't. Everyone really has been. It's not an assumption, it's a reality. But I'm excited. I'm so excited. FYI, love this look. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to put on all her accessories because it's a moment. I would love for this collection to kind of like be expanded. Just putting that out in the universe, you know, Jesse. You probably don't watch my channel, but if you did, that's what I'm saying. Now, like I mentioned earlier with Elise, I think I just love the new shaper boxes because I have been super lazy and not taking the dolls out of them beforehand like I used to back in the past. There's something about flipping this box that's bringing me joy nowadays. Just gotta put that out there. Ooh, tissue paper. Well, that makes me so happy. Everyone down for that. Ooh, okay. Let's talk about this. So if you've watched my Elise video, the upgrade doll, then you would be up to date on my conversation with the boxes. So I had seen and I had heard that the Nuface box had changed. This is an impact. So I think the issue that I have with the Fashion Royalty one, it feels a little dated, it feels a little plain, it just doesn't have a pizzazz. This, as simple as it is, it's such an impact. And also the fact that like it's turned around and then like this is a box. Like if this is going to be the Nuface box, I love it. Also, if you keep the white one with the black for like the basics, love that as well. This is stunning. Absolutely love it. Did not think I was going to talk about this box so much because I feel like I've seen it, but like seeing it in person, seeing the impact, also just having reacted to Elise and seeing them together so close is very much like this update, fabulous. Now again, like I said in my Elise video, why I'm talking about this box, I'm going to keep it, I have no idea. I think it's like the marketing student in me that's like really loving the, you know, presentation. We're just going to go with that. We're going to go with that. Now, without further ado, the moment I feel like I've been waiting an eternity for. It's time to see Nadja. Yeah, I closed my eyes. I did. Because, ooh. Another situation. Sorry, back to the box. I'm going to get to the doll. I really am. The fact that the inside is a whole other color. Love it. Hi, girl, hi. Hey, girl, hi. Also, Jesse, you're not watching, but I'm going to say it anyways. Thank you. Thank you for the baby hairs. Okay? It could be the smallest detail, but I feel like it goes such a long way. Stunning. Here's my girl. So beautiful. Like, just so beautiful. Her blush is a little harsh in person. But that's okay, because I think the photograph's lovely. I have not really noticed it in photos, so I think we're all good. And you know what? That's what really matters at the end of the day. Is how good she looks in a photo. Alright. If you have never been to the channel before, let me update you. I like to unbox the girls off camera. I like to have a little one-on-one with them. You don't need to see me struggle. But in a few seconds, literally just seconds, I will be displaying her as she was meant to be displayed, you could say. All accessorized, dressed, the whole nine. Then I'm going to be restyling her. Now, if you watch my Elise video, if you've watched my Elise video, I'm going to be keeping the same color theme because they're both going to the same doll event. By the time this video is out, the event would have passed. But just a heads up, if everyone's like, why are you doing this back to back? Both dolls are going to like the same event. Been shooting this back to back. So get ready. It's about to be a moment. At least I hope it is. Let's see what happens. So here is Miss Nadja, all styled and accessorized in all of her glory as she's meant to be seen. And let me be honest with you guys. It was all about the bags for me. Yep, can't lie. It's all about the bags. I have a Christian Dior miniature tote, which is what this bag is inspired by. And I want one in real life. So the more the merrier in a miniature world, because what you can't have in IRL, you can get in miniature. And that is currently how I'm living. So bring on more Christian Dior tote bags inspired. Bring them all, please bring them all. This look is so fun. It's so vintage. It's so modern. Like it encompasses so many different things, which is why I would love to see a full collection of this. Many of us would. If you are hearing the sirens, let's just move forward. I live in New York. Wow, as soon as I said that, it went quiet. Maybe I should have just asked. Again, I just love how it has all these different elements, but yet it's so fresh. There's something about like the little rolero over the bustier, I think you can call it. That kind of gives it this modern but yet 1950s vibe. And then the boldness of the color with the pants seems really like current. Love it. Like I can go on and on and on. And I feel like a lot of people in the community feel the same way, which is why we'd love to see an extended collection. I've seen some people get custom made outfits in the similar print but in different colors. Honestly, I also would love to see an extension of this line. I feel like there's endless possibilities because this look is just amazing. Now, let's go ahead. Yes, get a little close up there. Oh, that's fine. Should we get a little tighter? Yes. So for this look, I'm going to keep the glasses on, which I also feel like add to the vintage vibe. Because I'm going to restyle her, so you'll be able to see her without them. But I also just, the shape of the glasses are very 50s, so it kind of just adds to this element of vintage mod, which is just absolutely fabulous for me. I love, 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 love her. Now I went too far in the zoom out, and now we went too close. Don't you just love it? Don't you just love it? All right, I should just do it with my hands, because obviously... There we go. Just one more head to toe look for you guys before we go on to the restyle. All right, here she is restyled. If you can't already tell, this look was inspired by who we think the doll was inspired. I just thought Rihanna, 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 Rihanna. What would Rihanna wear on stage, on a Met Gala? What would Rihanna wear? So this look is very Rihanna inspired. I am going to be using these stockings as much as I can because I don't think that they have a very long lifespan. So I think I want to use them as quickly as I can and get what I can out of them because I just, they are stockings. Stockings are fragile in real life, and that makes them even more extremely fragile in the doll world. We're going to go ahead and zoom in. I'm not going to use those fancy buttons on my phone because look at how beautiful the blue stone just pops off these colors. Also, look how beautiful the stockings look with the glitter. I was like, this is not where I wanted to stop at, but it is, and we're liking where it's going. There we go. That face, that face, that face, that face. As you notice again, the blush on my girl is a lot. I say on my girl because I don't know what other people's dolls blush looks like because I haven't seen another one on RL. But although it looks really strong in person, on camera, again, it looks amazingly stunning and it gives her just the right amount of pop of color on her face. So sometimes what you see in person is not what you see on camera. And for me, the dolls will always be meant to be on camera because they're to be photographed. For me, in my world. So, yeah, let's go zoom back out. Give you a full look of the vibes again. Right there. Okay, I went too far. There we go. So yeah, inspired by Miss Rihanna herself. Miss Nadja, restyled. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in right here on my channel and checking out my videos. If you haven't already, like I mentioned at the top of the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. Until next time guys, have a great day. Bye.